Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel stuckinloopscrochets. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make this Pinterest inspired lily of valley necklace. So let's get started. I am using 3-ply acrylic yarn for this project in white and green color, scissors, stitch marker, 3 mm crochet hook and darning needle. So let's get started. We will start by making flowers. For that, take your yarn, wrap it around your finger. It will form a cross. Insert your hook, pull through. Now chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop to secure the magic circle. This is our magic circle. Now we will make 6 single crochet into this magic circle. For that, insert your hook into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through the loop. We have 2 chains in our hook, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. This is count as our first single crochet stitch. You can mark this stitch with the help of stitch marker. Now we will make 5 more single crochet into this ring. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have made 3 single crochet stitch. Now we will add 3 more. We are done making 6 single crochet. Now we will secure this magic ring and close this circle. For that, pull this tail. We are done with our round 1. We will start with round 2. For that, we will make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. That means 1 single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet. Mark this. Now we will make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet increase. We will repeat this across this circle. Pull through 2. 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. We will have 12 single crochet stitches across at the end of this round. We are done with our round 2. We will start with round 3. Take your stitch marker, make 1 single crochet in the first single crochet stitch. Now this. For round 3, We will make one single crochet in each stitch. We have finished round 3. Now from round 4 to round 6, we will do one single crochet in each stitch. Let's start with round 4. Make one single crochet in each stitch. We have finished round 4 as well. Now we will repeat the same process for 2 more rounds. I will meet you at the end of round 6. I have finished round 6. Now I will start round 7. We will repeat same process for round 7 as well. Make one single crochet in each stitch. Mark the first single crochet stitch. We are done with round 7. We will start the petals part here. For that, remove your stitch marker. Make 5 single crochet in this first stitch. One single crochet. Make 4 more in the same stitch. 3, 4, 5. We have made 5 single crochet in this stitch. For the next stitch, we will just make one slip stitch. Now we will make 5 single crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. We will repeat this process until the end of this round. Now we will make last slip stitch in the next stitch. Make one slip stitch. Now chain 1 to secure the yarn. Pull through. Cut the excess yarn. Now we will weave the ends with the help of darning needle. This is how I do it. Cut off this extra yarn. So I am done with making lily. We have to make one more using the same instruction. Now we will start with the stem part. For that, take your green color yarn. Now we will start with the stem part that we will wrap it around our neck. For that, take your yarn, make a cross like this, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is our slip knot. Now we will start by chaining, yarn over, pull through this loop. This is our first chain, yarn over, pull through, 2, over, pull 3, yarn over, pull through the loop, 4, yarn over, pull through the loop, 5. You can increase or decrease the length of this chain as you like. You should just be able to wrap it around your neck. Eighteen, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now I'm done making chains. I have made 200 chain in total. I will make one more. Now pull through, cut the excess yarn. Now I am done making chain. It is about 90 centimeter long. Now we will join the flower with the stem. For that, take your darning needle. Insert from the magic circle. Pull through. Now we will make 2 knots Make one more knot. Flip your flower. You can tie the white part and green part to secure. Now cut off the excess yarn. Flip your flower. Now repeat the same process for the second flower as well. We are done making our Pinterest inspired lily necklace. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye, happy crocheting.